sage brings the rite of spring. Morning dove and the sparrows.
Good morning, you guys. I thought I would do my updated spring morning routine. So today's Friday and I just woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth. It's like 6:30 and I feel like my skin needs a little face mask, some Love-In. So this is the one by Rhode. I forget the name. It's like a caffeine, like plumping kind of a face mask. So very moisturizing. I'm just gonna let this sit on while I do things throughout the morning. Keep my eye patches in the fridge because then they're cold. Band on. Okay. Hey, bud. I just changed really quick because I was actually so hot. It's been really warm out.
good. Okay. Like that house is so cute. Like a little porch.
When the sage brings the rite of spring, morning dove and the sparrows sing. Through the light that the sun will bring, reborn. Plots are creeping on the wall. Swallowtail heeds the northern